In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a packing slip in Excel with barcodes. This is a list of flat washers that I've downloaded off the internet. You can either buy one or you can buy a package of 20. The barcode is different for the quantity of one, and then different for the 20. So let's create a packing list. We're going to go to our packing list sheet here, and we're going to go to scan. And the first number that I'm going to scan in, there you go. It's M1.6. It's narrow. The size is 1.95. The quantity is 1. So let's scan in the next one. So there you go. Now you see that all the particulars are in here, but the number is 20. So we're just going to scan in one more. So the customer only needs these 3 items, so we're going to press the done. Now it's cleared out this packing slip, and it has created a packing slip in a PDF form. Created a packing slip with the date and time on it, so you know that it's different. So let's open up this packing slip. So the packing slip is basically a copy of your sheet, and now you could print it or save it for your records. So let me show you how I've done this. My first program is called Packing Slip. I've declared a few values here. I've declared WS as a worksheet, and I've set worksheet to ActiveSheet. I've declared end row as the last row in your packing slip. So barcode is equal to the value you have in C1, and if barcode is empty, then it's going to exit the sub. Now, then if barcode contains something, then you're going to search for it. This is different than my normal. I'm searching by 3 columns, D, E, and F, to find the barcode. And if we go back to our product sheet, we notice that we have barcodes in D, we have quantities in E, or barcodes in F. So it's searching all of these, and obviously it's not going to find the barcode in the quantity field. So if the range is not found, number is not found, then you're going to have a message box, number not found. If it's found, then we're determining the row and the column of the range. And to determine the quantity, we're going to offset the row and the column by 1. So now we're going to set worksheet being our packing slip. We're putting the quantity in the packing slip, and then we're putting the barcode in the packing sheet slip. So now what we're going to do is we are going to copy from our products list the details, and then we're going to paste it on our ActiveSheet. And then to finish up, we're going to put the date and time on the packing list here. When you're done that, then it's going to go back to C1 and clear it out, and so it'll be selected so that you continue on with your products. So let's go through the complete. The complete is what I've pressed the done button for. The end row is of your ActiveSheet, which is your packing slip. What we've done here is I'm going to save the packing slips in the same file folder as we have our sheet or our program here. We're going to save it as a PDF, but we're going to put the date and time on it. Sheet export as a fixed file format. And then what we're doing is we're clearing our ActiveSheet. We're going to close all the stuff off of there because we don't need it anymore because we've got a PDF saved. And then we're saving the workbook. I will, of course, include the code in the description of my video. Please subscribe.